Hi everyone! One of my guilty pleasure is curling up on the sofa and watching an old black and white movie. For this video, I've got some Hollywood-inspired headscarf from the 1940s for you to try. By the way, if you like vintage, I've got another video on a retro-inspired headscarf and I will include the link to it at the end. And now, let's recreate some of that glitz and glamour, shall we? I'm going to use this two-sided pink scarf. For the first style, tie the scarf on the front. Make a large double knot. Make the knot look nice. Hide the ends behind. This look is the easiest one. For the second look, fold one end of your scarf like this. Make a loop on the other end. Twist it. Pass the first end through the loop. Tighten your turban. Take this end and make the top of your turban. Et voila! It looks very sophisticated. For the next style, tie your scarf on the front. Twist one end. Make a snail. Do the same with the second end. It looks lightsome, I think. I'd like to thank my friends for all their help, all the support, and all those beautiful, beautiful pictures and B-roll. Thank you. If you want to know more on vintage scarf styles, you can watch this video to learn how to tie some great vintage inspired headscarf for summer. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. I hope to see you next time. Bye!